Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a super useful topic. One of my friend asked me a question, sir. Last one thing, can share the video where we can create a single blog page and blog page where all the blog post using template. So I will create two video because it will be lengthy. So in the first video I will cover single block page, and in the second video I will cover four block page. So let's get started. So if we talk, um, if we go to admin, now go for any post. It is simple hello world. Now we want to change this layout. So for that, mm, go to your child theme and create single custom.php. Means if we want to change anything, like uh, we want simple, for simple post, then single.php is there. And if we want to add this file to other post type, then that post type will be at here, like single hyphen product.php or single hyphen portfolio.php or other part. So now create single.php inside your child theme, sorry, not folder, it is file single.php. And inside that, put this code at there. I will provide this code in the description, so don't worry. And at here I will let me explain. Then this is simple code. And at here it is simple get header part, and it is simple um, at here I use simple loop at here, and get template part and template parts content. So it will include template part content at here. So create a folder template part, and then create content.php. And what is meaning of get post format at here? So get post format is here because if we check at here, then it's so some format. It shows some format at here, like what format you want to your video, sorry, your post. So like it is audio, it is video, it is archive, etc. So at here in the default it will uh, get content.php directly. If for video it is for content hyphen video.php, so like this. So in the default it will call content.php, so I created content.php at here. So no worry for issue. If you want to create for other format, then you can create content hyphen video, content hyphen aside, etc. Now inside that part content.php, put this code. I will provide this code inside description, so don't worry. Now explaining this code line by line. So this is simple article ID, because we are adding this part because in the default ID come, then it is special, like all post class etc dynamically come. So we are using this format, and it is single, then the title, otherwise the title, and get permalink etc, and get the date, the author, the category, and this is for um, thumbnail. So we can pass many thumbnails at here, like thumbnail, medium, large. We can pass any option at here. And at here it is previous and next option at here. Now we will check. This is our old template, and at here it is coming. And if we can check at here, it is coming from here or not. So go at here and in child, yes, it is coming from here. So now via that you can manage template. This template was provided by theme, storefront theme, and this is via uh, our coding. Okay, I will provide this these two template on my github. So I and also provide that URL in the description. And if you want to create this single.php for other post type, then just paste at here and go and like I want for product, then copy product slug from here and now paste that slug at here and add some hyphen. Now check. Now it is changed. Single product is changed. If we so we can also add any post type single blog at here. And if we talk about original template, then original templates was this one was original template, and this was template generated by our code. So we can modify any uh, product single also from here. That's it. And I will provide single.php and content.php uh, in my description. And that's it for now. You now know how to add code for single blog in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Drop your questions or experience with creating a blog, single blog page. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.